The AI revolution is heating up, and Elon Musk's Xi just dropped a bombshell. Grok 3, an uncensored AI model outperforming OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini 1.5 in benchmarks. But how did Musk, who co-founded OpenAI in 2015, end up competing against it? And why is Grok's unfiltered approach shaking the tech world? Let's break it down. The birth of OpenAI. Musk's exit. 2015. Musk, Sam Altman, and others launched OpenAI as a non-profit tier to ensure safe AI development. 2018. Musk left OpenAI, criticizing its slow progress and cool shift to for-profit under Microsoft's influence. 2022. OpenAI's ChatGPT changed the game, forcing Google, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to respond. Key insight. OpenAI's pivot to commercialization sparked the AI arms race, with Musk watching closely. 2. Musk's XAI master plan. In her 2023, Musk launched Xi, aiming to leverage X, Twitter's real-time data mouths for training, unlike rivals scraping outdated info. Build the world's largest AI supercomputer, Dojo, with 100,000 plus GPUs. Focus on speed, unfiltered responses. Grok 3 answers queries before you finish typing. Controversy alert. Grok's uncensored replies, e.g., Tao political opinions, abusive language, went viral, but Musk claims it's about truth over politeness. 3. Grok 3 versus GPT-4, Gemini. Who wins? Metric. Grok 3, GPT-4, Gemini 1.5. Benchmark wins. Grok 3 beats rivals in MAO, coding, reasoning, and multilingual tasks, even learning Hindi slangs. 4. The hardware edge, how XAI outpaced rivals. Dojo supercomputer. XAI's 168,000 GPUs. Train models 4x faster than competitors. Cost efficiency. Musk reused Tesla's AI chips to cut costs, while Google, Microsoft spend $70 billion plus out on new hardware. Integration. Grok powers X, Tesla, Neuralink, and Starlink, creating a closed-loop ecosystem. Genius move. XAI avoids expensive R&D by improving existing models, e.g., and Grok's reasoning mimics OpenAI, image gen mimics Midjourney. Chapter 5. The viral growth hack, unfiltered AI. Drama. Free marketing. Grok's polarizing replies trend on X, forcing media coverage, e.g., Grok insults politicians. For India example, Grok's Hindi swear words went viral, proving raw AI resonates more than sanitized bots. Investor hype. Musk's antics attract funding. XAI's valuation hit $124 billion in 2024. Lesson. Sometimes, being controversial beats being perfect. 6. The future. AI's iPhone moment. Every product will use AI. Like UI's revolutionized PCs, AI will embed into OS, apps, and hardware U. Musk's endgame. xAI could unify Topoly Tesla bots, X, and Neuralink, making Grok the OS for human-AI symbiosis. OpenAI's risk. If Grok keeps outperforming, ChatGPT may lose its first-mover advantage. Prediction. The next battleground is real-time AI assistance, and Grok's speed gives it an edge. Key takeaways for entrepreneurs. 1. Improve, don't reinvent. Like Musk, focus on what already works, e.g. Grok's hybrid model. 2. Solve dependencies first. xAI prioritized Pointel data, X plus compute, Dojo, before scaling. 3. Embrace virality. Unfiltered UX made Grok a cultural phenomenon. Final thought. The AI race isn't about who's most powerful. It's about who's